Today I'm going to show you how to launch your own Avalanche token in just a few minutes and without coding anything. Let's start directly with the process. For doing it, we are going to use Smithii Tools. Okay, you will have the link in the description. Essentially, Smithii Tools is a tool suite where we can launch our own token without coding and with easy in a lot of different chains, including Avalanche. So for doing it, we just need to make sure that we are in the Avalanche website and that we have our wallet connected with a few AVAX that we will need to pay the fees. Once all this is ready, we just need to go to Avalanche Token Creator. It's this tool you're seeing here, and it will be the tool that will make our token. Take into account that this is fully audited, so you don't need to worry about anything because everything is fully secure, as you will see. First of all, we need to put the name. Let me put Smithii. Then we have the ticker or symbol, Smith, for example. We continue with the supply. The most usual supply for meme coins is 1 billion, so let me use it. Okay, here we have supply 1 billion, and then we have the option to set a tax. We can set a fee per transaction that we will get on the wallet. By default, the receiver wallet will be the wallet we have connected here, but we can put any Avalanche wallet we want, okay? And for the fee, I'm gonna use 4%, for example. We continue with the advanced options. In here, we have 3 different options that are really useful for us when creating the token. First, we have the airdrop mode. Essentially, disable everyone from trading our token when this airdrop mode is active, okay? From trading and for sending. Anyone having the token with this airdrop mode active won't be able to make anything with it, will be frozen. Then we have the anti-bot. Anti-bot setting essentially prevents every single bot from trading your token by blocking them to make 2 transactions within the same block. So we won't be allowing high frequency trading bots to use our token to dump on others, okay? So this is interesting, we can activate it. We also have the anti-whale settings, which are pretty interesting. We have these options we can see here. We have the token limit per trade, that will be the maximum amount that any wallet can buy or sell for token. For example, we can put here 100 millions, okay? The time limit per trade allows us to put a limit of time between each transaction someone can do. So if I buy right now and if I put 1 hour here, I won't be able to sell or buy more until this hour finishes. The total limit per wallet will be the maximum amount that a wallet can hold. Okay, so if I put here 100 millions again, it will be the maximum that any wallet will be able to have in of this token. To finish, we have the active period. Here we can select how much time we want this anti-whale mode to be active. In this case, I won't be using anti-whale, I just will be using the anti-bot and the previous settings I set here. So I click on create token and we will see the first transaction, which is the token creation, okay? This is the fee, this is the payment amount for the tool usage. This is the token address we got right here. Once it's confirmed, we can find it on Snowtrace, okay? And then we will need to sign another transaction, which is the anti-bot. Here we have the second transaction to enable the anti-bot. We click on confirm and our anti-bot will be enabled, okay? If we copy the token address and we open it on Snowtrace, here we will see the token information, okay? This is the supply, this is the amount of holders, this is the decimals, which is 18 by default, this is the contract address, okay? And this is the name, essentially. As you can see, which is really important, is that our contract is directly verified. As the tool is audited and everything is fully secure, our contract will be directly verified here in Avalanche scans. So you can come and customize the token information whenever you want without needing to verify it before, okay, which is much more easier for sure. So once we have a token, we also have the token manager where we can manage different settings. The previous one we set and other ones. For example, here we can set a different address to receive the fee we have put. We can also exempt addresses from the tax, so we can whitelist wallets that won't need to pay this transaction fee we have set. We can also blacklist address to trader token, and we have more options to manage the antibot. We can essentially enable and disable the antibot as create a whitelist for antibot, and we can make the same with the anti-whale. In here we can put the settings and enable the anti-whale whenever we want. You can also create your own liquidity pool here in Smithii Tools. It will be added to Uniswap, and as well as you can make an airdrop or take a snapshot of holders. As you can see, by having Smithii Tools, it's really easy to create our own Avalanche token and start pumping it as soon as possible. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.